Alright, we're hitting like fall time, right? So what was some of the things we learned this year? These pots are too small, right? Too small. These bags, they fold over. Fuck, what else? All these pots for these guys. Too small. Too small. Next year we seriously gotta upgrade. So anyways, it was like, fuck. It's supposed to be our last hot day today. So I'm kind of, I don't know. It's like sad, but it's kind of cool at the same time, right? We went swimming, took our kid in the river. Tomorrow is just going to be 27. So I'm just going to try and do some of this stuff. I've got a ton of cucumbers ready. And, on my ADHD mess, right? This crampy ass greenhouse where we store all our tools. So, still lots of bugs. And, things are starting to get ready. So I haven't been able to resin stuff. And, like, honestly, I'm sold out. I got necklaces, I got earrings, and I can't keep coasters on the table. They're just like flying. I will say though, I made some the other day and my friend came over, and my fault. I've been very distracted lately, and we're outside and we're inside, and either I didn't mix it right. You know, if you don't mix it like perfect one-on-one, it stays sticky. Or I waited too long to pour. I don't know. The jury's still out on that one. Really, but anyways, I made these beautiful coasters with like some blue hydrangeas. Whew! And that's why these pots suck. And they never dried. I was thinking about pouring back on top. So, and what I mean is like, they stayed kind of sticky the whole time. You can put your finger kind of in them and they come away. Oh, don't mind me there. I don't know what I'm going to do with that pot. It's too small. So, I'll let you know later about that. So, just don't add, right? You got to be ready when you do your resin pour and just like do it. It's hard. I'm getting all this fucking wood wet. Why? It's super hard, and, to not get distracted, maybe, from some people anyways, but really gotta try, I guess. So anyways, that's that, and maybe I'll show you a picture of those later. And we got pepper, so I'm gonna do a little pepper video, but this is me with my pots that are too small pots.